In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy ETrade CD. We'll walk through the exact navigation you'll use on the platform and highlight what to look for along the way so you can choose a certificate of deposit that fits your timeline and goals. CDs available through eTrade are brokered CDs, which means you buy them in your brokerage account much like you would a bond. They typically offer a fixed rate for a set term, and many are eligible for FDIC insurance up to applicable limits per depositor per issuing bank. Start by logging into your eTrade account on the website or app. Once you're signed in, head to the trading section. On desktop, look for the main navigation and click Trade. This takes you to the area where you can access different asset classes beyond just stocks and ETFs. Next, open the fixed income area. Depending on your view, you may see it labeled as bonds and CDs or simply fixed income. Select that option to bring up all the fixed income choices available on the platform. Within fixed income, find the CD section and click CDs. This is where you'll browse the current inventory of brokered certificates of deposit from various banks with different maturities and yields. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the filters and details. You can typically narrow results by maturity length, interest rate, issuer, and features like callability. Shorter terms may offer quicker access to your money, while longer terms can provide higher yields. So think about your time horizon and cash needs. When you see a CD that looks promising, click it to open its detail page. Review the key information carefully: the maturity date, the yield or rate, whether the CD is callable, the minimum purchase amount, and any notes on interest payments and FDIC eligibility. Yield to maturity reflects your annualized return if you hold the CD to its maturity date, so it's a helpful number for comparison. If everything aligns with your plan, click Buy. That will take you to the order screen where you can review the specifics before proceeding. Double-check the details, including the issuer and term, and be sure you're comfortable holding the CD until maturity, since early access typically means selling it on the secondary market, which could result in a gain or loss. That's it. You've navigated from login to trade to fixed income to CDs, then selected a CD and proceeded to buy. Take your time, compare rates and maturities, and choose the CD that fits your strategy.